In this video, we'll walk through how to order human captions with Rev. Simply upload your audio or video file by dragging and dropping it, or clicking to browse your files. You can even paste a URL if your content is already online. Once your file is uploaded, we'll automatically start creating an AI transcript. When the AI transcript is in process, head to My Files and click the ellipsis to start an order for human captions. From there, select the language you need captions in. We currently offer both English and Spanish. You can also customize your order with additional options like burned-in captions for captions right on your video file, premium captions that are ideal for FCC compliance, or an order rush if you need your order sooner than our standard turnaround time. Before finalizing your order, you'll see your price and, good news! If you have a Pro or Enterprise VoiceHub account, you'll automatically receive discounts on all human captions, making it even more affordable to get that premium accuracy. Once you complete your order, your human verified captions will be delivered to your VoiceHub account within 12 hours. From there, you can edit them in our interactive captions editor. Edit typos, timing, and speaker names, add customizable burned-in captions, and convert captions into any file format, all from one easy interface. And that's it. VoiceHub makes getting human captions simple, fast, and affordable.